Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 1st, 2023. Yes, the first day in November. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one, a 3 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? No. But first, this one, Ruby number 7372. This one, before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. The 1 star has always 27. The 3 stars is always 25, so 2 digits more, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. Is this a 1 star or is this a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the which number get a big. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Is here 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 in the row below, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1 and 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 5. 3. Let me check. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, and look, we have a 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 5. Alright. 2, 8. Then. How about 8. Need a 7 here. I'm still thinking 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. Then let me see. Need a 2 here. 3, 4, need a 5 here. 3, 2, 5, 6 and a 7. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. I need to wait. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the second column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I need to wait here. Let me see. 3. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 1, 6. These 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Okay. 1, 6. Need a 7 here. 1, need a 7 there. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. Come on. 1, 3, and I need a 6 here. 6 there. 1, 3, 6, 8. 8. Let me think. Come on. 8. 1, 8, 3, 1, 5. Come on. What's happening now? 8, 3, 5, and 6. Need a 6 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 8. 8, okay. 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for 8 could be here, could be there. 8, okay. 9, 8. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need a 8. 8, 8. Well. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only two places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 3, 3, need a 3 there. Come on. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, though, need 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 5, 3, 8. 5, 3, 8. Need a 6 and a 7 here. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 8. I need a 3. Need a 1 also. Well. 5, 5. 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 6. Come on. 5 in this column, 5 in column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. See 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And all the ones are used. I can't see digit number 4, number 1. I marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square from the bottom. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. Not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.